Got our letter from Louisville, Kentucky, Farm Machinery Show. We'll see what's going on, see if we got in, and when we pull it, we do.
It's a fun Friday. I gotta back up. A fun Friday night at the farm. Tomorrow is Mason's birthday. Happy birthday to you. And to kick off his birthday weekend, he's working on his airflow that Greggy broke. All right, fill us in. What did Greggy do and what do we got going on?
Greggy ripped the booms off of this.
Oh gosh.
So we got a bunch of new. We got new.
New. And at least we have our expert in the
We got the gator doctor here.
You got the throwaway job.
fixing it. Are you disappointed in Greggy?
No, he had to fix it, so.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks like Ashton's fixing it right now.
He's got some electrical issues too.
Oh, that's not Greggy's fault though?
No.
Completely unrelated, but definitely his fault.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is Greg the fallout guy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What are you doing? Hello and happy Monday. Welcome back to another week of farming. It is the week before Christmas, and so I am spending my morning putting together some holiday beef bundles that we have for people. So I'll show you guys that, and then the boys are, I believe, working on the pulling tractor because we're going to the dyno later this week. Avery was out doing something with the cattle. I don't know, busy day of farming. So these are what our small holiday bundles looked like for this year. We have a roast, 3 pounds of ground beef, tenderloin medallions, and some steak. And then each one will get one of these cards. Excuse me. Each one will get one of these cards. And then I'm gonna go deliver these. These are for corporate order today.
New York. They're just trying to be the first to do everything. They are the first to kind of pass this type of legislation in the U.S.
Let's see what Mason and Greggy are working on in the shop today. Not this right now, but later, I'm sure. Oh, are you guys leaving your project or what?
We're getting tools to finish the project. We just needed some expert advice. We're still looking.
Oh, I'm right here.
Okay, we said we're still looking.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, what do we got going on? The combine and the chopper look so shiny and nice.
It's for sale if anybody's looking for one.
This one's for sale.
Actually?
One side, I think this side. This one must be junk one too.
Okay, so it's actually for sale. So if you are interested, hit a guy up.
Good deal.
It is. I mean, we just.
It's a good combine.
It is a good combine. We just put a lot of money in it. And I don't, but we got to upgrade at some point.
For me.
For you?
A new combine for me to drive.
I got one you can push around on the floor. Practice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, once you get your car reversing down, we'll think about the next step.
Has there been problems with the car reversing?
She can't back up.
No.
Even with nothing unhooked behind it?
Yeah.
So once you figure that out,
Yeah.
we'll talk about driving.
Okay. So what are you working on with it?
Just the feeder house chain.
Oh.
That's all we got left to do to get it all squared. And then they're coming to take auction pictures for it. So
Auction at Hennessy?
no, it'll
No?
be at
Gavin.
Gavin's too, and then we're gonna put it on marketplace. And if it don't sell out, we'll take it to Tennessee's auction.
Good. Good to know.
Yeah.
If anyone's interested.
Yep.
Give us the specs. Give us a sales pitch.
Right. Sales pitch.
Got 3,500 engine hours and 2,500 separator, right around there.
And we bought this
This is the third year on the rebuild.
third season on the rebuild, and we put all new rotors and cages and stuff in it. So it's put all new bubble up auger, bubble up, but the tube and all that stuff's all brand new in it. All wear items are been replaced. Brand new elevator chain halfway through the season.
Not even.
Yeah, probably didn't do 50,000 bushels that elevator chain.
What year is it?
A 15.
14.
Yeah, it was made in 14, but they call it a 15.
2014.
Okay.
Two-wheel drive. Runs good.
It's more power than any combine I've ever driven. More horsepower. So
Comes with the ag leader in it for the right price.
This is a combine with the wheels in the back, not tracks, right? Somebody was asking us why we have one combine with tracks and one with wheels in the back or the front.
In case it's muddy out, then we can do the mud with one combine.
Okay.
eventually we want to have two combines with tracks. That's just what we want. But it's tracks are an $85,000 option, and only one in 5 years you really need it. It seems like, but we have one anyways if we have problems.
Okay, good to know.
All right.
For sale, buy it.
Great. We'll get a for sale sign for it. Got our letter from Louisville, Kentucky, Farm Machinery Show. We'll see what's going on. See if we got in, and when we pull it, we do. We got in Thursday night, 8 o'clock. You'll get to see a big blue go down the track. Hopefully we can do as good as we did last year. Thanks, guys.
Good morning and happy Wednesday. I'll give you guys one guess of what Avery and I are attempting to do this morning. We'll show you a little snippet of it too, but I'm making him be my little Instagram boyfriend. Are you so thrilled?
Yeah.
One of us looks like they're in the Arctic, and then the other one's...
Yeah, it's not as cold out here as I thought it was going to be. Really warmed up.
What else is on your agenda today?
I gotta get a battery clamp for the pulling tractor for the battery post that's not making a good connection when we started it yesterday. Mason's checking the clutch after we ran it because it's brand new, because we're going to the dyno tomorrow. I gotta go get the trailer from my field, the Bobcat trailer, and go get...
You give us an update on your tree project?
Yeah. It's not any further than when you left it a couple weeks ago, last week. Cause,
Good.
Yeah, after you left, I had a hydraulic leak in the backhoe, and then I think you wedged a stick into the track.
I did not
And
do
it's
no such thing.
grinding the side of the track off, and it's in there really tight, and I needed a chainsaw, I think, to cut it out. So, literally after you left, I did like
0 things.
20 more minutes of work, and then I'm like, you know what, we're done.
We're done.
And I just haven't been back since, because I just really
Haven't.
I really hate taking down trees, but and I'm to the point where I really gotta light the fire, and I just hate that part too. So yeah, it's just generally it's just me avoiding the work, really. So there's that.
Into the calf barn we go.
this is what we got going on. Can you believe the crap that I gotta do?
Whoa, 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 woo-wee Christmas.
Shut up.
Look at it, so cute.
We got more friends trying to join us. This is Emily's deal in here. I don't spend much time in here.
I'm so happy.
Somebody's just hungry, I think. Alright, I must go do somewhat important things that really are not that important, but I need to get done.
No, I just have to stay here and look at a cute little baby.
Alright.
This is my new race car. Are you gonna tell us about it?
She's in dyno mode.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
We put it in, this is what we gotta do to put it on the dyno. If you look right here. Down in there. Got the battery charger on there now, but right down there is where the back of the transmission is. Can you see it on your camera or no?
That thing right there?
Yeah. So then there's a shaft that comes through here and connects to there, and then the dyno sits behind it, kind of like a PTO dyno, but
Well, we'll show the
yeah,
dyno.
and then that's how it hooks up.